Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to show you these phone wallets that I created. These were sewn with my embroidery machine, and most of it's put together in the hoop, so it comes out finished and lined on the inside. The parts that you have to make without your embroidery machine on your own is the handle strap here. The other part that you have to sew ahead of time is the back piece with the flap. The flap is actually another embroidery pattern, so that is sewn with your embroidery machine, but then you attach it to the two back sections here before you start the embroidery design to put the whole bag together. This bag features a opening here that you can slide your phone into, and I have an iPhone 7, and so it fits in there. It's not a large one, it's one of the regular size iPhone 7. It'll also fit the 6 and the 5. It won't fit the really large phones. It has pockets here, or slots here, for your credit cards and your ID. It also has an opening, a zippered opening here, and it's fully lined on the inside with no raw edges. This is a really cute design, and we use a cam snap to put the snap on here, and these are very simple snaps to install, and the ones I have here are special snaps that I got directly from Cam Snaps, but there will be links to where to purchase some cam snaps on our website. If you'd like to see more pictures of this pattern or buy some supplies for this pattern, I suggest that you click the iCard or the link in the description of this video, and we'll even have a link to where to purchase the pattern to do the embroidery design, and the pictures, and where to purchase zippers and the cam snaps and other things that you need for this project. Any purchase that you make will help us keep making more videos because we get a small commission. The items don't cost you any more by purchasing them through the link. We just get a small commission for referring you to make the purchase. This pattern, I didn't say yet, is a pattern by Embroidery Garden, and they sell lots of great machine embroidery patterns. This is the second bag that I made, and it's just got different fabrics. It's the same, and just a pink cam snap instead. The inside lining is the same as this here. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project and might think about making one with your embroidery machine yourself. If you like the project, please share with your friends and pin our projects to your Pinterest boards and share them on Facebook. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.